Bidmii PRO offers a paid option for dedicated contractors to access additional features that help grow and improve their business without the extra effort. It includes full access, marketing, insights, and priority quoting. Bidmii PRO subscribers enjoy the privilege of obtaining a custom URL and a professional website that is automatically updated every time a job is completed on Bidmii. Unlimited quoting, questions, and site visit requests are just some of the side perks. Be as competitive as you can be by using Bidmii PRO Bid Range feature. This feature helps you find out the value of the highest, the lowest, and the average bid placed to date on all open jobs. Take advantage of the co-branded Welcome Kit by subscribing to an annual plan.